The Google Translate extension and the Google Translate website are connected. They work together to help you translate pretty much anything you need to translate on the web or in a document. Let's check out how they work. So first of all, you'll want to go to the Chrome Web Store, or you can simply Google the Google Translate extension and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. From there, you can add it to Chrome. Mine says remove from Chrome because I already have it, but once you load it onto Chrome, you will see a tiny icon appear on the right of your screen, a Google Translate. There's also a Google Translate website, as I said, and you can find that at translate.google.com. And those are both fabulous tools, and sometimes they actually work together. So how can you use that? Earlier we were talking about translating emails, which is really easy to do natively inside Gmail. However, when you go to reply to an email, it's not quite that simple. So once you've downloaded the extension, the Google Translate extension, if you go to reply to an email, since you don't have the option to translate on that frame, you can start typing. I am typing a reply. And if I needed that to be in a different language, once I've downloaded the extension, if I highlight something, then I get an option actually to translate it. I get my little icon here. So if I click on that, it's going to translate that. And earlier I chose Arabic when I was playing with this extension, but you can go to extension options and you can set up what's your primary language, meaning what do you normally want to translate things into? And you can save that. And of course, you have tons of languages to choose from. And this also works on websites. So here I am with an article. Let's say my student is reading an article and English isn't his first language. Well, if he has a word or a phrase, again, if he highlights it, he will see this icon that will translate it for him just like it did in my email when I was replying. Now, if you have a larger something that you need to paste in or a document, let's say I needed to translate this entire I have been written an email. Let's say I'd written a reply in English and I need it and it was big. So if it's bigger, the best thing to do is go ahead and go to the Translate website because you can paste the entire thing in and then you can choose a language. And here I've just translated that into Spanish. And so I could come down here and easily copy that and paste that back into my reply. So if I were going to reply, if I needed to reply in Spanish, maybe to a parent who doesn't speak English well, that would be a simple way for me to translate my email and reply to that parent. And see how wonderful that is? So back on the website, notice that you can also upload entire documents. You can choose them from your computer and you can just put the whole document there, or you can always copy and paste. So between the Translate extension and the Translate website, pretty awesome. And make sure on your mobile devices you check out the Translate app because it is incredible. So Google's got you. Whatever you need translated, Google can do it.